Hello friends, today we will discuss about the previous year question. So the first question is, the following diseases are caused by mosquito bite except chikungunya, trypanosomiasis, dengue fever and tularemia. Okay, so yeah, the correct option is trypanosomiasis because it has two types, right? One is cruzi, another is brucei. Whereas cruzi, it is transmitted by reduvid big, and then trypanosoma brucei, it is transmitted by tsetse fly. So you want to remember both the vector and the infective form. Here it is in trypomastigote, whereas in leishmania it is in promastigote. So which of the following virus infection is commonly associated with malignancy? CMV virus, Epstein-Barr virus, human herpes virus, herpes simplex virus. So here the option correct will be Epstein-Barr virus, So this question has been asked thrice. Okay, so this Epstein-Barr virus is usually associated with the Burkitt lymphomas, right? So I think the previous question they have asked is which virus is responsible for causing Burkitt lymphoma. Okay. So coming for third question, the possible cause of vaginitis include all of the following except Trichomonas vaginalis, herpes simplex virus, candida, and then bacterial vaginosis. So here the correct option will be herpes simplex virus because Trichomonas vaginalis is associated in causing an, right, there is a strawberry cervix, there will be in profuse white discharge will be there. So again candida, there will be in curdy white discharge, and it is also an organism implicated in causing an vaginitis. So bacterial vaginosis, that is, I told already, that is an Amsel criteria, right? So all the three have been associated in causing an vaginal infections except herpes simplex virus. So here you want to remember for Trichomonas vaginalis, strawberry cervix, and for candida you want to remember about that curdy white discharge, and for bacterial vaginosis you want to remember Amsel criteria and then Nugent score. So coming for third question. So freshwater crayfish is a second intermediate host of Schistosoma mansoni, Paragonimus westermanni, Fasciola hepatica and Fasciola busci. So answer will be here is B, Paragonimus westermanni. So here the Paragonimus westermanni usually resides in the lung, hepatica liver, busci in the small intestine. So here all the intermediate host, first intermediate host will be the snail, whereas second intermediate host will be an aquatic plant, except for Paragonimus westermanni, it is a fish. So here the correct option will be then B. So following are the features of the type 1 reversal lepra reaction except. So it occurs due to delayed type of hypersensitivity reaction. It occurs both in the paucibacillary and the multibacillary spectrum. There will be a sudden onset of the neuritis, and there will be an involvement of the eyes, testes and the kidneys. Okay, so here the type 1 means, okay, so type 1 it is mainly because of the borderline leprosy. So in borderline leprosy there won't be any the involvement of the eyes, testes or the kidneys. Okay, so and then borderline leprosy, it is a time factor, like the patient can develop either to the type either can develop into the tuberculosis or either he can develop into the lepromatous. So here the correct option will be D, because there won't be any involvement of any eyes, testes or the kidneys, because these are all will be involved in the lepromatous leprosy type. So which is a test to monitor the response in the syphilis, that is a treatment response in the syphilis is, one is a VDRL and fluorescent triphenomal antibody absorption test, and TPHA and the ELISA. So here the correct option will be then VDRL, that is in Manual Disease Research Laboratory. Okay, so this is a sensitive test and important test for diagnosing even the neurosyphilis. So if they are asking for VDRL, you want to remember 2 points. One, it is for the treatment response. So another, it is mainly for the neurosyphilis diagnosis. So thank you friends.